Athena and Poseidon are so central as individual gods in the Odyssey, as opposed to the Iliad, where the only excuse you could give for the people who made the movie Troy is that even though there were so many gods and goddesses interacting with humans in the Iliad, on an individual level, there weren't any that you would say were absolutely essential to the telling of the story. Unlike the Odyssey, where you gotta have Athena and you have to have Poseidon, and they're pretty much opposites. One takes his side, the other stands against him. And really, the major theme, the very first word of the Odyssey, is the man. It has to do with the fact of Odysseus learning who he is. If you have to come up with one moral to the Odyssey, it's him discovering that he needs the gods, that he's not, as a human / part divinity, able to get by as a hero without the help of the gods, despite having divinity in him. That's the main moral.
You still know what you were